First, your review of decentralized finance, DeFi. Project's decentralized finance, DeFi, refers to a set of programs and protocols built on blockchain platforms that offer traditional financial services without the need for intermediaries like banks and financial institutions. DeFi aims to create a transparent, efficient, and accessible system for everyone. Advantages of DeFi. 1. No intermediaries. Transactions are conducted directly between users without the need for traditional intermediaries. 2. Global access. Anyone with internet access can use DeFi services. 3. Transparency. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain and visible to everyone. 4. Security. Smart contracts leverage blockchain security to protect assets. 5. Innovation. DeFi platforms provide a conducive environment for offering new and innovative financial products and services. Types of DeFi projects. 1. Lending and borrowing. DeFi platforms enable users to lend or borrow funds directly from each other. 2. Trading. Users can trade digital currencies on decentralized exchanges, DEX. 3. Stablecoins. These are digital currencies pegged to traditional assets like the dollar or gold. 4. Insurance. DeFi platforms allow users to insure their assets in a decentralized manner. 5. Asset management. Users can automate the management and investment of their assets. Key considerations in reviewing DeFi projects. 1. Development team. Assess the track record and experience of the project's development team. 2. Security. The platform should have undergone thorough security evaluations and use audited smart contracts. 3. Utility. The platform should solve a real-world problem and offer practical utility. 4. Community. Look for a platform with an active and supportive community. 5. Roadmap. The platform should have a clear and credible roadmap for future development. Investment risks in DeFi. E1. Volatility. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and your investment may significantly decrease in value. 2. Hacking. DeFi platforms are susceptible to hacking, potentially resulting in loss of all invested assets. 3. Scams. Fraudulent individuals may create fake DeFi projects to deceive users. Investing in DeFi projects can potentially yield high returns, but comes with substantial risks. It's crucial to conduct thorough research and due diligence before investing and to stay informed about the evolving landscape of DeFi.